Hello students, welcome to our platform of eTuition, education for better tomorrow. Students, you all know that we have a staple thing that we do every time. And what is that? Always subscribe this video in YouTube. Correct, always subscribe this video in YouTube. Visit us in our website. Follow us in Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So, my name is Amrita and I'll be teaching you nouns today. Okay, so what is noun? Today, okay, before proceeding it, remember this topic, the noun topic will be taught to you in on a different various parts. Okay, so in every part you will get to know what is something new about this word called noun. Okay, so today as I am introducing to you this word noun, so today will be nothing but an introduction class. Okay, so first, see, I told you something about noun, right? Now you will be telling him, ma'am, from that very long you are just talking noun. But what is noun, right? So what is noun? Noun, a noun is a naming word. What is noun? A noun is nothing but a naming word. So let me mark this for you. Remember, there are some words that I will be teaching you all, and students like a class 4 student, he can remember this, like noun is nothing but a naming word. And once if somebody asks you what is a naming word, you can easily tell them naming word is nothing but a noun, right? So what is a noun? A noun is a naming word. Now see, a noun is the name. So when we said a noun is a naming word, what does naming means? किसी को नाम देना, right? We need to give a name to something. कुछ भी हो सकता है, like that could be anything. Now let us know what is that naming word further described as. Okay? Now see, a noun is the name of a person. It can be a name of a person, animal, place or thing. Okay? So let me tell you one thing again. See, a noun, what did I tell you? We are giving a name to something. That can be any object, that can be any places, anything. Just a name. एक नाम होना चाहिए, right? So that name is nothing but what? A noun. So see, a noun is the name of a person. It can be any person. Animal, right? You know animals, right? Animal, birds, lion, tiger. Person can be doctor, teacher, father, mother, anyone. Okay, place, hospital, market, Delhi, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, many places, right? Or thing. What is a thing? Thing is something but a non-living thing that we consider here. So what can be a thing? Like, let me see. See, this is a napkin, a thing. This is a copy. So this is also a thing. So now let me go a bit further with you. Okay? See, how can you understand, like this is a father, this is a mother? We are giving a name, right? We gave a name. Like, no, not everyone is a father. So we have a person who is my father. We have a person who is my mother, right? And the family, like my mother's family will be my maternal family and my father's side family will be my paternal family. So what are we doing? We are just giving a name so that we get realize, okay, which is who, okay, who is that, okay. So now see, it can name materials, it can also name materials. Noun does not mean that it only names person, animal, place or things. It can also name materials, okay. It can name an idea. It can also name an idea. Now give me one example if you know one. Write it down in the comment section if you get to know. We will be proceeding further. Okay. It can also name an emotion. Happiness, sadness. What are these? These are emotions, right? A quality and a state, etc. So what do you understand by the definition that you taught you? That let it be any condition, any state, quality, person, place, whatever in this world. The thing or the state or whatever, be it touchable, be it untouchable. The things that we can touch or the things that we cannot touch. Like happiness. Can we touch our happiness? No, right? But let it be any emotions, anything. We are just giving a name to something, right? And that something, the name that we are giving, that is nothing but a noun. Simple thing, a naming word. Noun is nothing but a naming word. We give name to many things, right? So that is nothing but a naming word. You can see a dog. Dog is a naming word. Dog is an animal. So we know that other animals are animals, but dog is a specific animal. So dog is a noun, right? Now if you say puppy is the name of my dog. So the word puppy, again it is what? Name of what? A dog. So that is also a naming word. So can you understand how this dog and puppy are coming? Okay, let's stop. We will be doing it in proper noun and common noun. So let's now proceed with this. See, I have some fun time for you. Okay. See, there are some words written. What are the words? Let me mark one and one for you. Okay. Let me choose a color. Let's say, let us choose green. Right. Okay. Chalo. Tooth. What is a tooth? Teeth, right? The word teeth is a plural form. So tooth is a singular form. Okay. So there comes tooth. Now farm. Farm. Where is farm? What is farm? Farm is nothing. Wait. Stop. Let us first read them all. Tooth, farm, joy, happy, Rahul, orange, hope, wolf, them, doctor, cheese, school, kitten, your, India. So now what do you have to do? See, there is a table drawn below. So what is the table headed at? See, person, place, animal, thing, idea or feeling. So person, we get to know that person is nothing but a human being. Like we can name any human being, right? Place, कहीं भी कोई जगह का नाम हो सकता है, like a place of somewhere. Animals, we know birds, animals come under the same category. Thing, saman, right? Idea of feeling. Idea of feeling. So let's now proceed. Now see, tooth. What is a tooth? Tooth is a person. Does it talk? Does it walk? Does it eat? Is tooth a person? No. Okay. Now, place. Is tooth a place? Do we visit tooth? Does that make sense? No. Okay. Can tooth be an animal? Just think, can tooth be an animal? No, right? Okay. Thing. Can tooth be a thing? Yes. So, tooth is a thing. T-O-O-T-H. So, tooth is a thing. Let me do it for you again. Okay. Tooth. Okay. Now, farm. What does a human being do in farm? Cultivates, right? Harvest. Farm, right? So, farm is what? A person, animal, thing, or idea or a feeling? Nothing but a place, right? It is a place. So, farm will come under what? Farm will come under a place, right? Next, joy. Joy means happiness. Now, what is a joy? Person? No, it can be a person if joy had been written as capital J. But it is just a joy word. That means happiness. Joy is even a name of some boys. Like they have their name as Joy. Isn't it? So, joy here is nothing but a feeling. That is happiness. Joy is nothing but a word that is called for happiness. So, that is joy. Now, happy. What is happy? Happy is also an idea or a feeling that you have, right? That is within you. So happy is also an idea or a feeling that we have to write under this category. Chalo. Next. Rahul. Now what is Rahul? A place or an animal or thing or idea of feeling. So Rahul is nothing but a name of a person, right? There are many whose names are Rahul. Do you know Rahul Dravid? He was a great cricketer at his time. Okay. Now, doctor. Doctor can be a person. Correct. Doctor is nothing but a person. So we are writing here doctor because that comes under this category. Okay, so let us click once again. So we completed tooth, we completed farm, we completed joy, we completed happy, we completed Rahul, we completed doctor. Now them. Them, what is a person, place, animal, thing, idea of feeling? Neither. Them is not a single word among these. Okay, now see wolf. Wolf is a animal. Correct, wolf is a animal. You all can check his the picture of wolf in Google. Okay. Hope. What is hope? Hope is a feeling. Correct, hope is nothing but a feeling that I hope that all the students will understand whatever I am teaching you, right? So this is nothing but an hope. Now orange. Orange will come under a thing. Now you will say, ma'am, that is a fruit. How can that come under a thing? Right. But we are considering fruit, vegetables, let it be materials and everything, those under this category of thing. Okay. So this is nothing but orange. Okay. Now you will be thinking, ma'am, why is your handwriting so bad? I can't help, I'm not having a pen or a pencil, I'm just using my laptop. Okay. Now see cheese. You all love eating cheese, right? I think many of you does. I love having cheese in my pizza, like extra cheese with that stretchy things out of my mouth. Doesn't that taste yum? Right. So now tell me cheese. Cheese is a food item. So in which category will it come under? It will come under, correct, it will come under things. So things will be cheese. Chalo. C-H-E-E-S-E. Chalo. Good. Now, school. School is a name of a place. Correct. School is a name of a place. C-H-O-O-L. School is a name of a place. Kitten. Can anybody tell me what is, like, whose baby is kitten? If you all know, write it down in the comment section. Whose baby is kitten? Okay. So I'll just need to help you out. Kitten is the name of an animal. Now, my part of question is, you have to write down whose baby, which animal's baby is called kitten. Comment down in the comment section. So kitten will obviously come under this category of animal, right? Chalo. Next is your. Now it is not coming under any of this category, but India will come under this category of what? Of place. Correct. Chalo. So students, now we can understand that how some words we first have to determine in which category that falls, and we are just doing it, isn't it? So these are what? These are just the name of person, some places, animal, things, or idea of feeling. Now next, see here, what is the question written? Circle the noun in the following sentence. You have to circle the noun in the following sentences. Okay. Let us do one thing. I will be doing just the first 4 and I want you all to do from number 5 to 10, so that in the next class you'll have your copy and pencils ready and you'll just check the answer whether you are correct or not. Okay, so first you have to circle your noun, right? So let's change the ink color to, chalo, let's say red. Okay, so now see, my elder sister has a red umbrella. My elder sister has a red umbrella. Now first, can you find any of this category heading out here, like the name, place, animal, things or idea of feeling here? So for me, first I could find a person. What is sister? A person, right? Now, umbrella. What is this umbrella? A thing. Correct. Now see, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Now what is this honesty? An idea or the feeling, right? And policy is also a idea or a feeling. The postman delivered 2 letters in the morning. Who delivered 2 letters in the morning? The postman. So who is postman here? Is a noun and that comes under the category of person. Now what does he deliver? He delivered 2 letters. So letters is a name of a thing. So generally it will come under the category of noun, right? Now when? That is morning, isn't it? Now see, I saw elephants and lions at the zoo. I saw elephants and lions at the zoo. So easily we could find 3 nouns in this. What are those? Elephant, lion and zoo. Now you have to tell me what is the category. So elephant comes under the category of animals, lions also animals and zoo in the place of a noun. What you all have to do? You all have to solve this number 5 to number 10 and write it down in the comment below. I'll surely check it. Make sure you have to write which is the word, that is noun, as well as it comes under in which category of the noun. Okay? So students, I wish and I hope, remember we did hope, right, on the fun time. So I wish and I hope that you all understood at least this part. So wait for the next session. We will be learning what are the types of noun, okay, and how can noun be discriminated. Okay, so have a great time, stay safe and like, follow in all the other platforms that I mentioned above. Thank you.